We're now getting some more updates. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has now gone on to clarify the recent eviction of families from Kokilu slum near the Yelahanka in Bengaluru, where he said that many had built makeshift shelters on a waste dumping site, and despite multiple notices, they did not relocate. He's also assured that the civic body has been instructed to provide temporary shelters, food and essential support for the affected families, most of whom are migrant workers. My colleague Afreen Hussain is now with us on the broadcast. Afreen, that's an explanation that's coming in from the government in Karnataka, but clearly this attack of Mr. Vijayan against the Congress government in Karnataka is something that will lead to many heads rolling, because here we are talking about allies, we're talking about the India bloc that's completely disrupted because of these varying voices, and this time it's a direct accusation by, in fact, Vijayan, that this is the same UP model under Yogi Adityanath that the Congress seems to be going ahead and going with in Karnataka.
Well, absolutely, Griha. This is a direct attack coming from Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan on Karnataka. Comparing Karnataka's Congress government with that of UP's BJP government, the same bulldozer Raj that we see in UP is something that's being implemented in Karnataka, is what Pinarayi Vijayan said. Now, hitting back at the Kerala Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar said that there is no bulldozer Raj in Karnataka. And he's clarified that this is a regular demolition drive that happens so that illegal encroachments are not there in Bengaluru. And this is something that they're taking very personally to make sure that the land mafia do not turn government lands into slums. Now, this is the clarification that has come in from the Deputy Chief Minister as well as Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who has said that this is a regular demolition drive to make sure that there is no encroachment on government lands. Both the Deputy Chief Minister and the Chief Minister have said that whoever is eligible for houses, they're also making sure that they get houses under the Rajiv Gandhi housing scheme in Bengaluru. And I have also said that a few of them who had encroached upon the land were locals and the rest of them are migrants. So they're making sure to take appropriate action and to make sure that they have some sort of a shelter and essential supply as well. But this is a direct attack coming in from Kerala Chief Minister on the Congress. Now, this is the left government that is attacking Karnataka Congress and saying that they're treating minorities the same way that the BJP does. So this is something that we need to keep a watch on, where this war of words goes.
Right, absolutely. Afreen, thank you so much for that perspective. Let's take a look at some reactions coming in.
Congress government headed by Siddaramaiah has failed on many fronts, whether it's Dharmasthala issue, whether it's a hate speech bill, and also on corruption issue. Day by day, corruption is increased. Recently, 14.5 crores has been seized at Sarfraz Khan, who was the private secretary, of Zamir Ahmad. People should not question this corrupt Congress government. Bharatiya Janata Party, we are going to expose this Congress government, the failures of the Congress government.